Ready, set, go!
And we are off in the final race of the women's heats in Buggy 2004. Pika showing a strong Hill 1 as they've been picking up lots of speed. This could be a Queen of the Hill time, as it's been a great fast speed as they get ready for their transition from Hill 1 to Hill 2. They're already starting. And it looks like they're going to give their final push off in the transition area, as Pika got a great Hill 1 performance. That was a very quick time, and they push off into the free roll. Not a great push off into the free roll, not a bad one. Didn't quite get all of the buggy. It looks like a little bit of the momentum was wasted, but Pika is well out ahead of Spirit. It looks like by about 10 seconds already at this point, as Pika is rolling beautifully down the free roll of the section at the corner of Shenley Drive and Panther Hollow, and they are approaching the stop sign with about a time of 58.5 seconds. So that is the fastest stop sign time of the day as Pika approaches their flagger in front of Phipps Conservatory. Spirit still well off in the distance. It looks like they're about 10 seconds behind at this point, 15. Pika approaching the chute where they had some trouble yesterday. Very clean line into the chute, preserving all of their momentum. That is just textbook chute driving. And Spirit going into the chute. Looks like they're cleanly into the chute and through the chute as Pika picks up their buggy at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 windows. Yes, 8 windows. They have rolled 8 windows. That was a great free roll by Pika as Spirit finally picks up their buggy about 10 seconds later. Pika with 1:45 on the clock, just beginning their Hill 4 push. And coming up to the transition point between Hill 4 and Hill 5. And I think this will be a record-setting performance as they're about to make their transition from Hill 4 to Hill 5 with under 2 minutes on the clock. This is a spectacular women's performance for Pika's women's pushers, as they got a great push off to Hill 5. Pika's women running beautifully behind it. Got great form, and it looks like this will be a sub 2:30 time if they can break that, which would be enough to take the race. So we have a very competitive finish. We have about 2:20 on the clock. We're about 10 seconds away. They're coming close. This could be a Hill record. And they come up to the finish line, and they cross it at about 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Wow. That was an incredible performance by the Pika women. Not too far behind are Spirit. There's still a little ways. Make sure you're out of the finish line area. And if that time holds, that will take the day. It was a great women's team performance by them, and Spirit approaching the line and getting through that. And an absolutely spectacular women's performance by Pika's women's team.